Bali Hotel Pearl. This property is a 6-minute walk from the beach, located in the Padma neighborhood in Legion, 3.4 kilometers from Kuta. Bali Hotel Pearl features a restaurant and free Wi-Fi. Guests can enjoy the on-site bar. Some units have a sitting area for your convenience. A balcony or patio are featured in certain rooms. Every room includes a private bathroom. A flat-screen TV with satellite channels is provided. There is a 24-hour front desk at the property. The hotel also provides car rental. Ubud is 24.1 kilometers from Bali Hotel Pearl, and Seminyak is 300 m from the property. The nearest airport is Ngurah Rai International Airport, 5 kilometers from the property.